We are looking at a 2015 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. And this is a Street Glide Special, so it's an FLH XS. Now, one of the things that's going to grab your attention on this motorcycle is these really cool Vance and Hines exhaust. Check these things out. Very cool, very unique. It's the full header system. It does have a Screaming Eagle intake. It's got some highway pegs on it. And it's got some custom grips along with the 12-inch ape hangers. I apologize, 12-inch. It is set up for a solo seat. If you're looking for a 2-up, I'm sure we can take care of that as well. And it does have the docking hardware already set to go for a backrest or tour pack. If you'd like to get more specs and the pricing on this bike, go to desertwindhd.com. You can check this bike out along with the rest of our used and new inventory. If you want to come down and take it for a test ride, you can certainly do that as well. Stop down and see us.